Hello friends, today's topic is balance of payments. Balance of payments is a summary of all transactions made by citizens, companies, and government organizations of a country with the rest of the world in a particular period of time. There are three components of balance of payments: current account, capital account, financial account. Friends, current account is the sum of balance of trade, investment income, and unilateral transfers. Balance of trade is the difference between the value of imports and exports of goods and services of a country for a given period. A country whose value of exports of goods and services is more than the value of imports of goods and services is said to have a trade surplus. A country whose value of imports of goods and services is more than the value of exports of goods and services is said to have a trade deficit. Investment income refers to the net earnings on investments. That is earnings on investments minus payments made to foreign investors. Dividend earned from investments in foreign countries is an investment income. Unilateral transfers include remittances into the home country from people working abroad. Grants or aid given to foreign countries or received from foreign countries also come under unilateral transfer. French capital account records the net change of assets and liabilities during a particular year. It records loans and investments between country and the rest of the world. If the value of foreign assets acquired for cash is more than the value of assets it sells for cash to other countries, the capital account is said to be in deficit. Financial account records the net acquisition and disposal of financial assets and liabilities. So friends, I hope you have understood the concept of balance of payments, and that's it for now. And please continue watching my channel for more videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.